Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute. The usual excuses: school, 2 jobs, family. But anyways, this video is going to be, I'm going to be logging some runs with HP tuners, because I bought this a few months back, and I'm going to be logging some, do some data logs, and also I'm going to be trying a new tune that a buddy of mine that's in Florida, his name's Andy. What's up, Andy? Yeah, I'm finally trying this, man. So we're gonna be doing this real quick. I don't know how much video I have because the camera I have sucks battery, so let's go do it. So I'm gonna put the windows up. Sorry if you guys can't hear crap because I don't have an external mic and this car's louder than hell. So first I'm gonna do some logs with my tuner's tune, which has not been edited since I fixed a few things. So anyways, the last tune that I had, I still had stock Cali converters and Z06, C5 Z06 exhaust. And what happened at that last tune that I had done, the Cali converters were overheating, and I mean, he maxed out pretty much on timing. So what he did was he put cap protection mode on HP tuners, and he put cap protection mode and a few other things for some safety stuff. So I have race cats now, 200 cell count Magnaflows, and I have pretty much straight pipes, Corsa Extreme exhaust, and I took off cap protection and made a few other adjustments. So this is the tune I've had without the cap protection and stuff. And I'm gonna do some logs right now. I'll probably do 1 or 2 logs. So, okay, there's my log. Started my log. This is a road that I use to do my little test runs on, because this car's so damn loud that freaking people will call the cops. These people get ahead a little bit. That log. Alright, that's done. So I'm going to turn around and do one more. I'm not going to get many here because people are going to call the cops. This lady's bicycling right here, so she's probably going to see me fly by her going 80 miles an hour, 90 miles an hour. She's probably going to be pissed. Bad time to be doing this. Got people getting off work, and there's not a lot of people on this road, but it's just, there's more than usual, so it's not the safety factor, because I'm not going to be going by people really fast, but it's just there's a lot of people, so this is a quiet area, so people will tend to call the cops and for noise and stuff. So I got to go all the way down here to make a U-turn, because you can't make a U-turn there anymore because people got hit. So I got to go all the way down here to make a U-turn. Hopefully my battery doesn't die. Can't even make a U-turn here anymore. I got to make a left and make a U-turn down there somewhere. So, man, that was bad. That was like that bogged pretty bad. Nothing bad on my tuner. I'm not going to blame him for anything, because I don't like to blame people for nothing, but I mean, I don't want to talk bad, because I don't think he completed his true tune, because he told me that once I did the exhaust and put the race cats on, he said we were gonna send it, but I never got that far. And then since I got the HP tuners, and my buddy Andy got HP tuners as well, so I used to dabble in HP tuners a little bit a long time ago, back in like 05, 06, but I hadn't done it so long I forgot a lot of the stuff does. So I had to kind of relearn it. And now that Andy and I are screwing with it. I'm learning again, and he's teaching me stuff too as he goes along and learns. Dude, what are you doing? So let's start logging right now. Okay, so I started my log. I think I'm going to do a second gear this time instead of a first. Do like a kind of like a mid-throttle. Put my window up so you guys can hear me a little better. Upload the tune, the one that Andy has been messing with, and we're gonna catalog that one. Andy, hope I don't blow my shit up. But anyways, he's been working on his tune. We have identical builds. I met Andy on the Corvette forum, and he did an identical. It's like a sister build. The same cam. He has Texas speed headers. I have Corsa headers, but he's catless, and I have race cats, which mine are pretty much almost straight through anyways. He has Magnaflow exhaust, which is a good system, the one I used to have. I have a Corsa exhaust, so mine probably flows a little better than his does, the Corsa Extreme, but everything else is the same. He's got a K&N intake. I have a stock intake box, but I have the zip tie mod, and I have a Haltech intake tube, so it should be pretty close. So now I'm gonna load the tune. So turn this off. Now let's go to the editor. Don't really need these anymore because it's not sunny over here. So let me put these away because I can't. They're polarizing. It's hard for me to see the screen. So now we'll go to the editor. Sorry, you guys can't see the computer. I have it here on my passenger seat. So now I will load a new file, which is the recent one that Andy had. He said it's the bomb. So I'm gonna load this file. He does have 93 gas though. I do not. I'm running on 91. And I just put gas in just in case because my gas has been sitting in my tank a while. So now I'm going to load his tune. I'll wait a few seconds. Hopefully this camera's still recording. And here we go. Wait for this to write. Every time I do this stuff, I always worry about the car not starting when I'm away from the house. That's happened to me. It happened to me on my Silverado a long time ago. I was tuning my Silverado with LS1 Edit, if any of you guys are familiar with that, and the damn thing wouldn't start because I think I bumped the cable or something. That's another thing, guys. When you're doing tuning and stuff, be careful. And on the C5, it's in the middle, under the dash. Be careful not to bump that thing because sometimes it'll screw everything up and your car won't start. Okay, right, complete. That's done. Now we'll go back to it's off. Go back to the scanner so I can do the logs. Okay guys, sorry about that. This camera, I don't know what happened to it, but anyways, here we go. So this is the new tune. So I'm actually going to start logging now with this new tune. And there we go. So let's pray for me. Wow, it already feels smoother. Holy crap. Huh. That's crazy. Oh, the drivability feels smoother already. There's not a bunch of chugging, and it's not stumbling and going all over the place. This is really smooth. Holy crap. Sorry, buddy. Wow, this is smooth. Wow, this is very smooth. My language there. I completely forgot about the camera. Wow. That was freaking amazing. Gosh damn, that was amazing. Let me cut that log out. Wow. That was crazy. I'm almost scared to go back because this car's so damn loud. Man, this thing rides smooth. Even coasting. I mean, the engine's not. I can feel the engine when I'm coasting. The puck, puck, puck. You know, like this thing did puck a lot, I guess. Wow. Man, all I gotta say is this thing freaking pulls. No stumbling, no chugging, no bog. Damn. I'm gonna have to go down here and make a U-turn because these people have already blown my cover there. But damn, what a difference. Let's see. Let me turn around in here. Wow, man, that was amazing. Holy crap. What a huge difference. Man, the car drives smoother too. This is so nice. I actually like it. Damn, that's pretty amazing. Might as well start another. Well, I'll do a log when I turn the AC off. Wow, man, this is a big difference. By the way, this is going to be a long video, guys. I should have probably mentioned that in the beginning. I'm not going to do any. I might edit a little bit. Kind of didn't want to fake the funk. Just wanted to do a full video, no edit. I know a lot of people edit stuff out, but man. Okay, come on, hurry up before my camera dies or something. Wow, that was amazing. I'm curious to what the logs are gonna say, and I'm gonna have the sun in my eyes since it came all the way down. Dude, really? Freaking go? Do you see me? on this car, and I had my other tune in here and I raced them, this car would destroy the one that has my old tune. Holy crap, this thing pulls hard. So I'm going to leave this tune in now, and that's going to be it, guys. Or I'm going to go to jail because running up and down that thing kind of quick and making a lot of noise. So subscribe, like, spread the word. Sorry about I haven't put a video for a long time, but I'll let you know what the knock. I'm sorry if I had any knock retard or anything. I'll discuss the logs in another video, and just keep a lookout for the next video. Hit the notification button so you can get my notifications when I put out a new video, and I'll see you on the next one.